Paano alagaan ang variegated burle? Ganito daw, aalisin lahat na. According to those gardeners na nagsasabi,
okay ra siguro. Atuan na lang na ipastake ka to ding last nga imong gikuha, di ba?
May gaggi ko do. May puti na gaggi na.
Atuan na lang naluoy man.
Ha?
O tan-aw na lang gud nato og mo nabay mo gawas. Aun sa ba?
Ug di ko nang sa kwaon. Basig maghakot po sa gre. Hindi po kayo no.
Ito nga pala yung itsura niya up close, oh. 'Di ba?
this may seem like an ordinary Philodendron Burle Marx for you. Burle Marx, whatever you like to call it, go on. Pero ito siya guys, I'm sure you are familiar how this philodendron looks like. This is a great example of its matured form guys. Nagiging crowded sila in one pot kasi sobrang bilis dumami ng dahon. And of course, the shoots as well. So ito yung dahon niya guys and the stem. Ito yung itsura. But there is really one thing that we have noticed on our new burle guys. And that is the stem. This is how the stem looks like guys, and we have noticed na katulad siya ng several variegated plants that we have. Ganito yung itsura ng stem. And of course, yung pinakabagong dahon niya is really amazing. Ayan, parang variegated siya guys. So kapag nag-fully unfurl na yan and totally variegated talaga, we will be showing you yung actual care talaga para mapanatili natin siyang variegated and mapaganda natin yung tubo niya. So I'll get to see you guys kapag naging okay na. So excited ako and sana excited din kayo. Abangan natin yan.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video for today's vlog. It's time for this Philodendron Burle Marx. Kasi nga guys, it's been 5 days since the last time that I checked it out. And nung day na yon, hindi pa nga nag-unfurl itong variegated leaf niya. Now, we really came to realize na variegated pala siya, pero nag-revert lang. We are just so happy na ngayon binabalik niya po yung variegation niya. Kaya, we will do everything to let this variegation stay and para dumami pa yung mga ganitong klaseng leaves. So, gagawin natin yung mga advices ng iba pang experienced gardeners, guys. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin! Alright, just for reference, we have our ordinary Burle Marx here. Ito yung mga sinasabi ko na nagiging crowded in one pot, guys. Sobrang bilis kasi niyang dumami. Yung stem, iilan lang, pero yung mga petioles, guys, and yung mga bagong dahon, nagsisilabasan talaga and uncontrollable na. Tingnan nyo pa yung mga roots niya, guys, sa baba. Ang pipino and ang dadami. So, ito yung normal na nakikita natin. This isn't really that expensive, but talking about the variegated one, guys, pricey po talaga siya, and I haven't seen a lot of people posting online na mura yung Philodendron Burle Marx nila, except for those collectors na sobrang napadami na nila yung collection nila. Kaya medyo mamahalin talaga yung variegated. I've heard from gardeners na kapag nag-revert na daw ang Burle Marx, mahirap na siyang pabalikin. Pero, we are just so happy to see this na kahit nag-pure green na halos lahat na lumalabas pa din yung pagka-variegated niya. And dito yon sa pinakabagong leaf. Pero, kapag naglalush sila, halos ganyan lang yung kulay ng lahat ng dahon, guys. Walang green. We were advised what to do on situations like this. Kasi, dapat variegated lang yung lahat ng dahon na meron siya. So, ito guys, ireripat kasi namin siya para matanim siya ng maayos. As you can see, meron ng aerial root na lumabas. Sobrang bilis pa naman nilang dumami. So, we will be adding some more potting media for this. And since meron siyang variegation na pinapakita and we are really careful about that, we don't want na baka bumalik na naman yung pagka-green niya. So, we are really avoiding acacia leaves, guys. Although there are really a lot of plants here, especially the variegated plants that are doing well even if we are using acacia leaves. Since ito yung first time na gagawin namin to sa isang Burle Marx, guys, we really avoided acacia leaves. We just have decomposted rice hulls here. Tapos meron tayong decomposted na hay and mga cocoa chips. Ito yung gagamitin natin pandagdag dito sa potting media na meron na siya before. This came from Kalape, from Mary Ann Ruben. Nagpapasalamat kami for sharing her plants to us. And ito nga guys, sobrang amazing kasi kahit na green na, meron pang lumabas na variegated na dahon. But as what I have said, if we really compare the stem, guys, including those variegated plants that I have showed you earlier, talagang ganito yung itsura ng stem niya. So, hindi nakakapagtaka din na maglabas siya ng variegated leaf, which is something that we really wished for this one. Umasa din kami sana mag-variegate to and baka merong isang dahon na magsimulang mag-variegate sa kanya. So, ina-expect din namin yun. Pero, when you check the stem, guys, wala ka talagang makikitang sign na may pagka-variegated siya. Unlike dito sa isa na meron talagang white na stripes yung stem niya. Mas malaki yung chance nito na mag-variegate compared dito sa isa na meron kami na sobrang lush na sana, pero still pure green lang siya. But it doesn't matter, we still love this and we still put this somewhere na hindi siya maiinitan, makakakuha pa din siya ng bright but indirect light. Unfortunately, dahil sobrang mabilis dumami yung dahon niya, meron din palang dahon na nasisira. Syempre, merong mga dahon na dapat i-prune dito like this. This is an example. Pero hindi pa namin siya nagagawang i-prune kasi sobrang bilis nga dumami ng mga dahon. So, hindi na namin ma-check from time to time kasi meron pa ibang plants dito. So, ayan, nandito lang to guys, just for reference for today's video. But we will be focusing on this small one para sa video na to. If I still have the photo, guys, I'll just show you kung ano yung itsura ng variegated Burle Marx ni Ma'am Mary Ann sa Kalape. Sobrang ganda talaga. And anyway, meron palang expo tomorrow up to December 5 sa Kalapi Forest sa Bintig, Kalapi, Bohol. And for those of you who are from Bohol and nearby Kalapi lang, visit the ongoing expo, guys. Marami daw budget meal plants, guys. So if you are really into plants and if you really love to collect a lot of plants, the Kalapi Expo is worth a try kasi sobrang dami ng mga plant collectors sa Kalapi, guys, who own rare plants. Really rings a bell. So go there sa Kalapi Forest lang po. Sobrang bilis lang. Meron pang signage dun sa gilid ng highway kung saan kaliliko papuntang Kalapi Forest. Sana makapili kayo and I do hope that you will visit too. Baka nandun din kami. So see you guys. So here we are. Tinatry niyang i-uproot, guys. So dahan-dahan lang kasi nakita nyo naman dito sa Burle Marx na pure green lang. Sobrang maninipis yung mga roots nila. Ayan. So we really have to be careful when it comes to uprooting this one kasi baka merong magkabali-baling mga roots. So cutting lang pala siya. So for this one, lahat naman talaga kapag merong variegated plant, talagang mas nag-i-aim na panatilihin yung variegation. Kasi when it comes to the ROI, sobrang laki ng maibabalik ng mga variegated plants. Kasi nga, mas mamahalin sila compared to the ordinary ones. Although, variegation occurs in nature and merong iba na nagsasabi na babalik naman talaga yung variegation through the morning sun. Para sa akin, good investment yung mga variegated plants kasi mas pricey sila. We will still use the old potting media, guys. Ito siya. Soilless nga pala to, guys. Meron siyang cocoa peat. Tapos, yung mga aged rice hulls. Ito yung gamit dito. We will just add some more. Etong mga na-prepare namin para sa irrigation. And of course, since nagre-retain din ng moisture itong cocoa chips compared dito sa rice hulls. So, let's just see how will it go. So, marami kasi kaming naririnig na advices. Although, first time namin na magkaroon ng variegated Burle, guys. Kasi we have been dreaming about this before pa. It's just that marami kaming naririnig na medyo mahirap daw siyang alagaan kasi pag nag-revert, it will totally go green na and hindi na babalik yung pagka-colorful ng leaves niya. So, hindi nababalik daw yung variegation. And yun yung pinakasad doon. Sir Rodline mentioned about it. Yung Burle niya started reverting. Tapos, wala na siyang nagawa. He did his best. Pero talagang nag-revert na lahat. At kahit anong gawin niya, hindi na bumalik yung variegation. But hopefully, sana tuloy-tuloy na yung nakikita nating variegation dyan. And sana yung mga following leaves that are about to come will still have the same color. Or even kahit basta magkaroon ng sign na variegated pa din siya and hindi basta green lang. Ito nga pala yung itsura niya up close, oh. 'Di ba variegated nga? So, meron tayong coconut fiber na nilalagay dito sa bottom of the pot. Of course, kanina guys, bago tayo magsimula sa video, inayos po niya yung butas dyan para siguradong well-draining din ang pot na gagamitin natin. And of course, the coconut fiber is from Cipriano Lagura. So, kaka-order lang po namin ng potting media from them. Meron kasi silang potting media na walang halong soil, guys. And freebie nila itong coconut fiber. So, pwede kayong mag-order sa Facebook page nila. We'll just try to put it here or sa link down below. Ito guys, same day delivery. Kaka-order pa lang. Tapos, in an hour or two, meron ng delivery na dumating sa akin. So guys, according to those gardeners na nagsasabi ano alagaan ng variegated burle, ganito daw, aalisin lahat ng green guys para yung maiiwan yung variegated lang. So, ayan, nag-alis tayo ng isa. So, we will be removing all the green ones. Try nyo din, baka ganun din yung problema nyo. Baka meron din kayong nag-revert na ganito. Pero try nyo muna na bumalik yung variegation. Kasi kay Sir Rodline or yung ibang gardener na nag-share, kinakalbo talaga nila guys hanggang sa bumalik ulit yung variegation. And yung variegated lang na dahon yung iniiwan nila. Oh, alam nyo guys, we are torn into letting this part of the stem stay. Kasi ito talaga purely green lang eh. Eto, dito sa kabila, yung pinanggagalingan ng halos lahat ng green na dahon.
Ano ne? Basig ka ni green niya, mudung po na rin. Or, ugdi po na sa kwaon. Basig maghakot po sa green. Libog yun, no?
I don't know guys. So, hindi na ako magbibigay ng mga ideas dito kasi ay, dili, uy, napod siya white.
Ayun na.
Napod siya white.
Kaya
So,
na to.
possible lagi hapon nga makahatag hapon na siya og variegated nga dahon. Pasensya na, nagbisaya na may kay ganon.
Kaya na, to na.
Alangan naman mag-ano kami dito,
Last
maglalis na Tagalog. Hindi naman kami Tagalog. Oh. Alright. So, chinek kasi niya guys, pure green lang. Alam nyo, balak niyang alisin itong stem na to. Ito, kasi iwan niya tong kabila na merong stripes na white. Pero, nung chinek ko naman siya dito sa likod, ayaw mag-focus. Yung ganyan, meron naman siyang white. So, wag na munang alisin. Baka in the future, magbibigay pa din yan ng variegated na dahon. So, abang-abang na lang. Tsaka, bantayan na lang yung mga dahon na lumalabas. Ay, I do hope variegated na lahat ng lalabas soon. Hindi naman gaanong sensitive yung burles. Okay lang sila alagaan. Sobrang bilis lang din nilang dumami. But when it comes to the variegation issue na nagre-revert, doon ka talaga magkakaproblema. Especially if you are aiming for a variegated plant para sa mga ROI, lalo na kung mahal yung bili mo. Siyempre, para malinis yung gawa, talagang finifix yung pinag-alisan ng petiole mismo, talaga maalis lahat. Tapos lalagyan niya ng cinnamon powder. We will just wait guys. Do not worry. Update ko kayo if ever merong progress. And if mag-work man itong ginagawa namin ngayon or hindi. Kasi first time nga namin siyang itatry. Since ngayon lang kami nagkaroon ng Philodendron Burle Marx. And kapag naka-experience na kayo ng ganito guys, you may comment down below. I'll be more than happy to read your comments. Meron pang platinum variegation daw na mas mahal. Looking forward to get that. Ayan. Hello baby Burle. Sobrang dali lang ito. Tapos itatanim na lang namin siya dito sa pot niya. So see you later. Paki-share din guys kung ano yung pinaka-effective na paraan na na-try nyo sa mga ganitong issues. Kasi alam ko madami din sa inyo yung madaming experience when it comes to gardening. And from kanina na medyo madami-dami ng dahon, ito na siya ngayon guys. Iisa na lang. We already took away 5 leaves guys. 5 pure green leaves and nag-iwan lang ng isa. So yun guys, simpleng-simple lang tong video na to, and I do hope mag-share din kayo ng experience nyo when it comes to this type of philodendron, and looking forward to read that in the comment section down below. So ayan, ito lang, and thank you so much for making it till the end. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, pakitap na din po yung bell icon para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming video. So, ayan, pupunuin lang namin yan ng potting media na na-prepare namin. And this is the final look after today's major pruning that we did. Ayan, eto na siya, nag-iisa lang. So, wait for the updates, guys, kung ano man yung mangyari, kung bumalik man yung green ulit, or maging totally variegated na talaga siya. Bye!